This is another Windows version within Bob Pony's Extreme Lite series. It's based on Windows 10.10.67 Entreprise evaluation. These are the virtual machine specs. The install setup is automated. All you have to do is start the installation and wait till it boots up to the desktop. As you can see, everything has been removed, even the theme and wallpaper. This is the WinVer window. This is its resource usage, around 400 megabytes of RAM on idle and around 2.38 gigabytes of disk space. There's nothing pre-installed, just Windows files and their essentials. That's it. This is the Settings tab. Clicking on Offline Maps made it crash. VMware tools won't install properly, the display driver will break during installation, and will result in a black screen. Even after rebooting, most of the virtual drivers are not recognized. That was Windows 10 Extreme Lite by Bob Pony.